Maymay, entrata update. And happy birthday kay Maymay. Mga bumati sa kanya. TFC Pam, A to C, I want saka Pep. Siyempre, pati yung boyfriend niya, si Bukin Enriquez, nasa US. Yan, ito pa nga yung mga highlights ni Maymay. Yung pa-birthday. Video ni Bukin. Yun, no? Mag-lover. Saka yung BFF ni Maymay na si Ina. Yun, no? Yung mga banding. Mga memories ni Maymay.
When I was younger, I saw my daddy cry and curse at the wind.
Yun, no?
He broke his own heart and I watched as he tried to read
Tsaka yung mga
us
TikTok ni Maymay.
in
And happy birthday.
and my
Ganda ng
mama
banding,
swore that she
Yung Maymay sa
would
Kabukin, eh.
herself again. And that was the
Yun, no?
day that I promised I'd never sing of love if it does not exist. Darling, you are the only exception. You are the only exception. You are
Sweet pa nga ng
the
mag-lovers,
only
eh.
exception. You are the only exception.
Si Maymay. Ayun, no?
Happy birthday.
Nag-video pa nga si Maymay sa si Bukin. Ayun, yan ang tama pa nga si Maymay, eh.
Happy birthday!
Thank you so much.
We can do start a prayer, right? Yeah. Amen.
Amen.
We love you. Love you so much. Yeah.
Thank you
So much. Happy birthday. Wow. Hey, you're not alone. You got us.
Yay.
Yan, happy birthday. Mahilag sabi ni Joaquin, yun, no? Saya nila Maymay sa Joaquin, eh. Same vibes. Siyempre, nag-ready na si Maymay sa ASAP XP sa May 10 yan. Yan, save the date. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is with Charlie Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.